My name is David Slack. I'm actually here with Dr. McPhail right now, just doing a testimonial of what I've experienced here from Dr. McPhail and his staff. I had a knee replacement about 5 months ago, and somehow during physical therapy, I did something to my lower back. Not sure exactly what it was, but the pain just got gradually accelerated. Fortunately, I ran into a friend at the gym that recommended that I come see Dr. McPhail, and as a result of that, I came in and went through all of the treatments that he prescribed for me, and after I'd say probably 4 or 5 treatments, I started noticing quite a bit of difference, and fortunately today, after 24 treatments with he and his staff, I can actually say that my pain has gone almost completely away. So I'm excited that I made this journey and would highly recommend anybody who's experiencing any kind of pain to come into this office and let them do consultation with you and see if they can get you on the same track they got me on. Thanks, Dr. McPhail and your team, for all you've done for me.